Entre nous, en secret, on joue. Entre nous, et peut-être c'est fou. Entre nous, on se souffle un petit bisou. Entre nous, just for me and you. Sous les regards, on se cache comme des enfants. Mais un peu plus tard, plus besoin de faire semblant. Et sans mots, au fond on le sait, que c'est beau d'aimer sans regret. Mon sourire grâce à toi, ton clin d'œil juste pour moi. Entre nous, en secret, on joue. Entre nous, et peut-être c'est fou. Entre nous, on se souffle un petit bisou. Entre nous, just for me and you. Avec nos amis, c'est vrai qu'on s'amuse bien. Rue Saint-Denis, on fait jusqu'à la fin. Mais chez nous, c'est la bonne adresse. Oui, c'est là qu'on se caresse. Mon sourire grâce à toi, ton clin d'œil juste pour moi. Tu devines mon esprit et moi toute coquille. Je te dis, entre nous, en secret, on joue. Entre nous, et peut-être c'est fou. Entre nous, on se souffle un petit bisou. Entre nous, just for me and you. Entre nous, just for me and you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Mon Dieu qu'ils sont doux. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Le bruit des bisous. Dans les buissons, sous le ciel du mois doux, les amoureux glissent à pas de loup. Comme les oiseaux, ils ont rendez-vous. On entend partout. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Mon Dieu que c'est doux. Mais dites-moi, savez-vous ce que veut dire entre nous? Ce que veut dire zoubizou? Ça veut dire, je vous l'avoue, mais oui, je n'aime que vous. Zoubizou, zoubizou, zoubizou. Mon Dieu que c'est doux. Mais pas besoin des buissons du mois doux quand tu m'embrasses doucement dans le cou. Car c'est curieux, tu vois, je l'avoue, ça me fait partout. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Mon Dieu que c'est doux.
showcase
Showcase the what?
there's nothing.
I mean nothing.
There's nothing.
So in case you guys didn't know, if you're 18 to 24 years old and somehow like a resident of the EU, you can be an exchange student. We just show your passport. You can literally get free tickets to the Louvre. And once you see everything, there are 4 floors. There's -1, 0, and 1 and 2. So once you see everything, you can see the Mona Lisa. So I got a queue for the Mona Lisa. It doesn't take that long. It's quite fast actually. There are some shopping malls on the other side. I have no idea what this is. Some sort of outlet store, and there's also a McDonald's over there. Can you see the McDonald's? Yeah, that's it. So right now we're trying to look for something to eat. We spend, if you come to the Louvre, you try to spend at least 2-3 hours to eat. You do need a PCR test, and you do need a health pass. The health pass only qualifies if you have 2 shots or you're fully vaccinated. Besides that, if you can book your tickets online, you can buy it from the store as well, but you have to queue. I always recommend buying it online the day before. You gotta book an appointment. Although it says it's 1 hour and 30 minutes, you can actually go in anytime you want, and also time you most probably have to queue still, and you're gonna end up late anyways. So you book in the ticket, and you can enter any time of the day.
Do not subscribe, guys.
Then you gotta subscribe. So that's it. Okay, bye.
There you go. Better walk to you.
What?
5 p.m. close.
What the hell?
Travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier, et puis je fume. Je ne suis pas figure de sa vie qui veut ma tuer. C'est magnifique et très sympathique, mais je ne le connais jamais. Non, 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 je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner. Je veux seulement oublier, et puis je fuis. Et puis
entre nous, en secret, on joue. Entre nous, et peut-être c'est fou. Entre nous, on se souffle un petit bisou. Entre nous, just for me and you.
So right now we're still, where are we? What kind of bridge is this? So right now we're at some sort of bridge. I'm not really sure where we are actually.
I can't speak French, man.
I can speak a little bit of French. Bonjour, bonsoir, c'est tout plaît. Pour vous, anglais, c'est tout plaît. Merci, salut, au revoir, and bon voyage. That's it. That's literally right. That's it. But the French people are really nice. A lot of people think that French people are really rude. I think they are. In my personal opinion, they might be even nicer than the Germans. They are a bit slow in terms of service, but they're really nice. And what I noticed about Paris compared to major cities in Germany is that in France, in Paris, they have a lot of Asian people. really everywhere. You will definitely see
That's
at least.
racist.
No, you can literally come to here and do a bingo. You will see in every 7 people there's 1 Asian. And the reason why is because Paris is famous for. You see a lot of Asian girls. The reason why is because mostly are from Japan. So a lot of Japanese people come to Paris to learn how baking. And if you see it's an Asian guy, in my personal opinion, they're usually very fashionable. And usually it's some rich kid from China who comes here to study fashion and do start up their own brand. This front's very fashionable. Is it dirty? It's not dirty at all. It's pretty clean. Or at least it's the same as Malaysia and in Kuala Lumpur. Are people in Paris fashionable? You will see that they do care about how they look, from when the elderly people, the younger people, and the middle-aged people. There are some French people who are a bit mean, but they're generally the old people. If you go to the shop and buy a lot of stuff, then they treat you really nice, of course. So right now, you're going to continue the journey. Alright.
Et moi, toute coquine, je te dis, entre nous, en secret, en joue, entre nous,
The house is so beautiful.
et peut-être
Really, Kevin, the house is really amazing. I love the architecture,
entre nous, on se souffle un petit
especially when it's painted like almost like new.
entre nous, just for me and you. Entre nous, just for me and you.
Un, deux, trois, quatre. Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zoo. Zooby zoo. Mon Dieu qu'ils sont doux. Zooby zooby zoo.
Right now we're at the Arctic One. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Kevin taking picture. It's tourists. We got Casey taking picture as well. Where's Nizam?
Old man sitting down.
I have no idea where he went. Oh, where is? Oh, he's sitting right there. I guess. I think that's him. This is the Arctic One. So beautiful, and it's sadly under renovation right now. We try going to the Notre Dame, but the problem is that because of the recent fire incident, it's still under renovation or reconstruction.
Zooby zoo, zooby zoo, mon Dieu que c'est doux. Mais dites-moi, savez-vous ce que veut dire entre nous? Ce que veut dire zooby zoo? Ça veut dire, je vous l'avoue, mais oui, je n'aime que vous. Zooby zooby zoo, zooby zoo, zooby zoo, mon Dieu que c'est doux. Mais pas besoin des buissons du mois à doux quand tu m'embrasses doucement dans le cou. Car c'est curieux, tu vois, je l'avoue, ça me fait partout. Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo.
Finish less than 10 minutes only.
Zooby zooby zoo.
10 minutes only. Because it's triggered on by the light sensor. As soon as the dark, straight away triggered.
Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zoo.
Right now we're at the top of
We're at the top of the Eiffel Tower.
No, we're at the top.
Wait. We're at the top of. Well, soon to be. I guess.
This is the Eiffel Tower. Okay, now we're rushing for dinner. Alright, let's go.
Let's go dinner.
Okay,
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie. L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. À sauter les repas, je suis à